At 4 p.m., we gathered at the pickup point, ready for an unforgettable evening.
Shining the night away.
Lexy, Lisa, Elese, Rich, and I were filled with excitement as we headed towards Jimbaran Beach. The journey was smooth, and by the time we arrived, the sun was beginning to set, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. We embarked on our journey along the southern coast, with gentle waves rocking the boat as we sailed through the calm waters. The cool sea breeze and the sight of the coastline bathed in golden light were mesmerizing. As we approached Uluwatu Temple, perched majestically on the cliff, the view was breathtaking. The sunset over the Indian Ocean provided the perfect backdrop, creating a moment of pure tranquility.
A million hearts from 1,000 miles, running around to the street.
On our way back, we took some time to relax, play in the water, jump from the boat, and enjoy the golden hour as the sun slowly descended before making our way back to the starting point.
We gonna be the city lights. We gonna take back the summer and spend this long night awake. Let it be the drama, our heartbeats will start us way. We're gonna light like a sun, moving as one, shining the night away. And we stand in the silence and worries just fade away. On this fire, the burn inside. Rising in tides, we gonna be the city melting. We call us the crew of a crumbling empire.
We ended our activities with a dinner at a local eatery, where the main course was traditional Balinese grilled fish, prepared to perfection. The evening was filled with laughter, good food, and the warm glow of the setting sun, a perfect end to a memorable adventure.